Okay, what's up guys? My name is Isaac, and today I'm just going to show you how to fix all these stuffs, the fans, the CPU, the RAM, two SSD cards, graphic card over here, power supply. Just gonna fix all this stuff to the motherboard. Actually, the motherboard is having a lot of information, so but you don't need to care about all.